Have you heard about staking and wondered what it means? In simple terms, staking lets you earn rewards by holding crypto. Let's break it down step by step so you can understand how it works and why it's so popular. Staking is the process of locking up your cryptocurrency in a blockchain network to help validate transactions and maintain the network's security. In return for contributing to the network, you earn rewards, usually in the form of more cryptocurrency. Think of it like earning interest on your savings, but instead of a bank, you're using blockchain technology. Staking is common on blockchains that use a proof of stake or POS consensus mechanism, like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency that supports staking, like ETH, ADA, or SOL. Step 2. Use a wallet or exchange that offers staking services, such as Trust Wallet, Binance, or Coinbase. Step 3. Delegate your coins to a validator or staking pool. Validators are like network guardians. They validate transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. Step 4. Sit back and earn rewards. The more coins you stake and the longer you stake them, the higher your potential rewards. Staking has become popular because it's a way to earn passive income without selling your crypto. It also helps make the blockchain more energy efficient compared to mining, which requires a lot of computational power. Some platforms even offer flexible staking, so you can unstake your crypto anytime, while others lock it for a set period in exchange for higher rewards. While staking sounds great, it's not without risks. If the validator you delegate to acts maliciously, you could lose a portion of your rewards. Also, the value of the staked cryptocurrency can go down, impacting the value of your earnings. Always research the blockchain and validator before staking. Staking is a fantastic way to earn rewards while supporting your favorite blockchain. Have you tried staking? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crypto content.